Now, of course, if you watch my channel, you will well know by now that I do a lot of things in the TTY, in the terminal, and some of those things I've been looking at are things like TTY Solitaire and TTY SRV or Screensaver, and then there was a TTY typer, which allowed you to do typing tests in the terminal. Of course, it was written in Rust. And people have said to me, why don't you try GNU Typist? Well, I could do that, but something piqued my interest and I thought I'd do something slightly different and move away from the TTY just this time and actually look at something inspired by GNU Typist. So let's just actually have a look at the screen. So you're looking at this GitHub page for Web Typist, and as you can see on the right, it's a typing tutor inspired by GNU Typist, and this is only 9 months since its last update. I don't know how many commits. How many commits have there been? Who cares? Anyway, and now of course this is in the web, so this is not in the TTY. So you will need the graphical environment, but hey, why not? Why not? Let's just highlight somebody being inspired by GNU Typist. And there's a little video showing it here. You can give it a try there. And you can make your own lessons. So yeah, pretty simple. So let's just actually click on this link here. And as you can see, it's loaded it already. And I will make this a bit bigger. Can't use it on mobile devices. A screen bigger than whatever is recommended, I'm sure that's fine. If you use it on a mobile device, I pity you. Even if you've got some sort of connected keyboard through Bluetooth. Anyway, that would just be crazy to me, but whatever. Maybe you're in a bind. I don't know. Anyway, let me know in the description if you're doing it on your mobile. That'd be funny. Anyway, so it says, welcome to Web Typist. Of course, select a series to continue. Go with the first one if you're a beginner. Now, this I think is also based around touch typing, which is fantastic. And this is going to get you to learn touch typing. So I'm obviously already a touch typist. You know I am well versed in touch typing. I'm all about the home row, so this doesn't apply to me. But for the sake of this video, let's go into the first one. And we'll just go lesson 1. Now it does give you a description here about touch typing and what you should do. So if you're going to do this, make sure you read this. I don't need to because I know all about touch typing. Okay, and then we're going to go next. So I'm just going to go next. So I do not need to read this. I'm going to go next. Okay, so let's see how this works. So as you can see, it is working. Oh, ASDF. So be aware that this is all about repetition. This is about repetition to get your fingers accustomed to touch typing. But remember, make sure you read that at the beginning so you are adhering to the rules. Make sure your fingers are on the home row. Let's finish this. Okay. Is that a caret symbol? I don't know. Whatever. Or maybe I need to do space. And then you can restart and whatever. Okay, I'm just gonna, let's hit this. So what does the long one look like? So work on speed and accuracy. Up to date, I can not see that the thing is as good as this one. Okay. So there you go. By the second bit, you're already getting into accuracy and testing. So that first bit is the most important learning. So this bit here is the most important for learning. This here is obviously improving your accuracy, and then you've got speed drills, and there's even a programmer series. So as you can see, there's all kinds of programmer related symbols here that you will see, you know, squirrely brackets and all kinds of backslash. And okay, so it's really got you covered, so this is really good. And then you've got QWERTY review fuel forcers, and then something here. Okay, I'm not sure what that's about. The cool thing about this, and I did also learn how to use the numpad for touch typing, and they've got a numpad series here, so if you're using a full keyboard, back in the day I didn't use a laptop necessarily, so I had a full keyboard. You've even got Colmac and Dvorak, so if you are, you know, one of the elite using, you know, Dvorak or Colmac, you can do that. You can make your own lesson here, and there's the GitHub going back. Okay, so I thought I'd just highlight this. So well done to, what is it, RXYZ, who's made this. Maybe you want to contribute to this. Whatever, I don't know. I'll put the link in the description. You know, just have a look maybe. Of course you can go the whole TTY GNU Typist, but I thought I'd just highlight somebody who's taken a bit of inspiration from GNU Typist. And coming soon, you can type ahead and sync behind error correction, KDE's touch file support. Okay, cool. So there you go, just a short video on this one really. Not too much to say, but I think that's actually a really good program. Learn to touch type. It is probably the best thing I've done, even more than learning Linux. I know that's kind of controversial to say, but I'm actually more about, you know, using things on the home row, being efficient in this way. Okay, maybe not as much as Linux. Maybe they're equally valid. Okay, but touch typing is so important. It informs so much of what you do, and it's just the best way. Just the best way. Anyway, I'm going to leave it there. So as you know, you can do the fake YouTube, like, comment, and subscribe. And obviously, I want to give special thanks to my contributors then. Well, they do contribute. They contribute to supporting the channel. My membership, who have a membership for Patreon or YouTube. You can see that information in the description. And that's Sean, that's HTX18Nerd, and that's Sol. And thank you guys very much. I do appreciate it. Hope to see more of you soon. And anyway, we'll leave it there, and I'll see you in the next one.